Today I'm going to show you the double side Dutch braids and my fancy double side ponytail. So this particular style, I think it will be great for Chinese New Year that's coming up very soon. But we can have this style for other occasions as well. So let's begin. Let's start with the double Dutch braids. So I part my hair in two halves as equal as possible. Starting on my left side, so I pick up my hair from the top of my head and split it into 3 equal sections. Now I'm going to cross my left section under the middle and same thing to the right section. I'm going to repeat this process, but this time I'm going to add more hair from the side of my head and then cross it under the middle one. Same thing to the other side, just add more hair to the other sections and cross it under the middle one. We just need to keep repeating these steps until we run out of hair and all the way until you reach to the end and tie it with elastic band. That's done, my pretty double Dutch braids. So it's only your options to create it bigger by pulling it out or leave it as it is. So never too old for this hairstyle, don't you think? Now we can actually make another hairstyle by bringing the end hair and tie it together like so. Tuck the end of hair inside and then secure it with bobby pins. I just think that this looks really sweet, don't you think? My third style, I part my hair into 2 equal sections, left and right, and then I take some part of the hair at the back, creating a normal 3-strand braids, and tie our ponytails, and then with our braids, wrap it around it and again tie it and secure it with elastic. And repeat the same thing to the other side. And that's done, my super easy fancy side ponytails. Thank you so much guys, and hope you find it helpful. Thumbs up and subscribe if you like my video. Have a great Chinese New Year and all the best to you all. Bye!